Today we're on a journey into the city of London, but it's not your typical spots that everybody knows about. As you can see, super cold today, so yeah, we'll take you along for the journey and some good hot spots on the list, so stay tuned.
Join us on this grey but happy day as we discover some charming places in London town. Kicking things off in the East End of London, it's an easy and relaxed train ride straight into London Liverpool Street. Here we are in London Liverpool Street.
Busy as always. This place, I think I've never seen it quiet. At night, even when I was working all the time during the night, it's always busy.
Early start this morning for both of us. We had a little breakfast. We brought something with us, so we are feeling hungry now. It's coming up to lunchtime and we are getting closer to our food destination and we cannot wait. So guys, we've arrived at our place in Hoxton.
It's not hot.
Okay.
It is slightly spicier than your normal one.
Okay.
So here we are in F Cook's Pie and Mash Shop and we're excited. It looks so nice.
So guys, yes, believe it or not, I am from London and I have never had this, so this is like the first time for me. I'm ready to dive in, let's go.
So if you know about pie and mash and liquor, you know that you have to apply lots of vinegar.
So guys, we managed to speak to the owner. She's going to tell you a bit more about the history about this amazing place that you definitely have to come to. So over to you.
Hi, my name is Kim Cook. We've been going since 1862. If you take your camera and look at that picture up there, he's the man that first started it. That's my husband's great-grandfather. And actually, people say that my husband looks like him today. Not 162 years ago, but he does look like this. Come to the pie shop. All our stuff is made on the premises. It's all done with top quality stuff. Scotch beef, potatoes that I would take home and have for my own Sunday lunch, and parsley sauce made of parsley, flour, water and salt. We're in Hoxton. We're open from Tuesday to Saturday, so come join us.
There you go. When you're in London, you have to come. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Growing up as a kid, I always remember the word liquor as alcoholic, right? But it's not, obviously. And it's the sauce that goes with it. Absolutely fantastic. Definitely a thumbs up, as Holly did there. So yeah, Hoxton is the place. You can get here in about 20-25 minutes walking from Liverpool Street, London Liverpool Street, which is a main hub for the National Rail and the Tube. And then you can walk, or you can get a taxi if you want to come through the neighbourhood, traditional London streets. So yeah, very good. Definitely worth the visit.
So when we first got into the pie and mash shop, I was filming on the outside, and the owner, the lovely owner, she had a good go at me. She was like, "What are you doing filming? You got to ask permission to do that." Proper East Ender, love it. Which was actually really nice. I was quite naughty not asking if I could film. I just got overexcited and yeah.
Yeah, we had food on our brain and pie and mash on the brains.
Next stop, it's got to be coffee. Sun just nearly poured coffee all over me, but it's fine. I'm only wearing a white top. But no coffee was spilt and it's delicious.
Guys, I didn't know we'd landed back in Argentina. Look what we found.
It's only donadas empanadas. Sorry, I said it in an Australian accent, I don't know why.
Empanadas, Buenos Aires.
Woohoo!
down towards Brick Lane now. Still in the east end of London, very traditional place as well, as you'll see. Box Park is basically a place that has all different types of cuisine places inside. So you might have a place for tacos, you might have burger places, you might have steakhouse inside, like a mini little steakhouse, and it's basically pop-up shops of all different types of cuisines. Anything you want you can find, really good prices, definitely worth a visit. They're actually dotted around different parts of London, but this one in particular is on the Shoreditch part, which is only about 10 minutes walk from London Liverpool Street. They have DJs there, karaoke nights, beer nights, stuff like this
ice cream,
as well.
cookies.
Yeah, all the good stuff. So yeah, check it out, guys.
What I absolutely love about East London is how colourful it is, how vibrant it is. There's just so much to see and take in. All different types of people, every walk of life. It's lovely. It's really refreshing, actually. Gian was saying earlier how much he actually really enjoys being in the city, right?
Yeah, and you know what? Even when you're from somewhere, doesn't mean you've seen every part of that place and what it has to offer. And obviously, over the years, things change as well. So, modernisation with the old style as well goes really well. And yeah, it's really prevalent around here. So yeah, fantastic place. Happy to be back visiting this area of London.
And lots of lovely smells of food, and both savoury and sweet. So yeah, it's really nice. Next on the agenda, if you are in Brick Lane, you need to come to Bagel Bakery. This is a 24-hour bakery. It's been here for yonks. I don't know how many years it's been here, but it's traditional Jewish style bagels, hot salt beef and smoked salmon and cream cheese. Absolutely delicious.
You know, one of them places where you come and it's always busy no matter what time you come.
There's usually
no
a queue
matter
outside
what
the
day.
shops, to be fair.
You have to queue, you have to wait. It's worth the wait. Definitely come and check it out.
They also do really delicious cakes as well, like homemade cakes, all different styles, and it's open 24/7. Right now there's a queue. Usually it's outside the door, but yeah, it's quite quiet today. We are not going to be having anything because we are still full from our lovely pie and mash. Unless you fancy one.
Maybe later on the walk back. We've done quite a few steps already, so we'll see how the belly feels after. After you've had your bagel or your bagel, however you want to say it, come next door and you've got dessert.
We discovered Illumino City by accident, which is what we love about London. There is always something new and fun to experience. Illumino City is a free immersive art installation by Architects of Happiness. The idea is to illuminate London with mood-boosting artworks in a bid to put smiles on people's faces, especially in the colder months. It really did brighten up our day. Elizabeth line, have we?
No, I never have. As you know, we haven't been here for a while, so things have changed quite a lot. And yeah, we're going to try it out today.
It's decaffeinated, it's fine. Just wanted something warm and Christmassy. Built these escalators. What did you do?
Fun fact, I used to work on the underground, and one of these escalators, either this side or the other side, sorry, either this side or the other side, I actually had to carry tiles down to build the platform floor down these stairs. So yeah, so just feel a bit sorry for me, that's alright.
What a hero.
No.
Yeah, you are.
A little bit.
Whoops. So I've been hunting down Ben's Cookies for the whole day really. And we've come to Oxford Street's Ben's Cookies. They are all over London. So yeah, we've bought quite a selection and we're going to try them out.
Guys, she cleaned out my pocket. We bought 15. I thought we were going to buy like 3 or 4. Holly goes, I'm going to get a box. Okay, how many are you going to get? 15. I was like, wow, 15.
That'd be so easy to eat, trust me. Nice cup of tea and a cookie. And that pretty much wraps up our day in London town. From the East End to the West, a great time was had taking in the old and the new sites. We'll definitely be back again to discover some more. We would highly recommend that you do too. Thank you for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment and turn that notification bell on so you never miss an upload from us. See you in the next one.